In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and add reports to your Smartsheet dashboards. We'll start inside Smartsheet on the home page. From here, open the option to start a new project. This is your jumping off point for creating the dashboard that will display your key metrics and reports. If you're new to dashboards, think of them as a visual hub where you can bring together information from sheets and reports in one place. You'll see options to use a template tailored to roles like company management, which can be helpful if you want a head start with pre-built layouts. Templates can save time and give you a solid structure. However, for full control over the layout and content, choose to start from scratch. This lets you build your dashboard exactly the way you want it. Next, choose a new workspace starting point. A workspace is where related sheets, reports, and dashboards live together, making it easier to manage permissions and keep everything organized. Within that new workspace, select Dashboard as the item you want to create. When the dashboard canvas opens, click Get Started to move into edit mode. At the top, click the title area and type in a clear descriptive name for your dashboard. Use a naming convention your team recognizes, like including a project name or department so it's easy to find later. Now it's time to bring in your report. Click the plus icon to add a new widget, then choose Report. This adds a report widget to your dashboard. Click Add Report to open the report picker. In the picker, use the search bar to quickly locate the report you need. Search by report name or keywords you commonly use. Select the report from the results, then confirm by clicking OK. If you don't see the report, it may be in another workspace or you might not have access. Double check where it's stored and your permissions. Once the report is placed, you can move and resize it on the canvas. Drag the widget to position it where it makes the most sense, and use the handles to adjust its width and height so columns and headers are readable. Aim for a size that prevents horizontal scrolling and keeps the most important fields visible at a glance. Aligning it with other widgets creates a cleaner look, and giving the report a bit of extra vertical space often helps with readability. That's it. Your dashboard now includes a live report that updates as the underlying data changes. Repeat the same add in place process to include more reports later, keeping the layout simple and focused so viewers can get answers fast.